Konnichiwa, Kaysan desu. We are going to improve your Japanese language. Let's go. First, you get this hiragana practice sheet. Now, we are going to practice kakiku keko. We are going to practice writing. Alright. First, this is ka. How to write? Like this. Ka. 1, 2, 3. Ka. Again. 1, 2, 3. Ka. Next, ki. Like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ki. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ki. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ki. You can use your notebook to write this hiragana, or you can download this hiragana practice sheet. Link in the description below. You can download it now. Next, ku. This is very easy. Ku. Again. Ku. Ku. Like that. Next, ke. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Again. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Ke. Next, ko. Very easy. Like this. 1, 2. Ko. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ko. And there is it, minasan. Next, we are going to practice sa, shi, su, se, so in the next video. You can download this hiragana practice sheet in my Patreon, link in the description below. See you next video.